I'm going to go over a little bit of the SAS data structure. I already have open a SAS data set. If you look across the top, you'll see name, age, gender, salary, date, satisfaction. These are all of our column names. And obviously, if you click on any single one of these columns, the whole thing will kind of light up. So for our columns, we also refer to these as variables. And over here, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these represent our rows or observations. Going back to our columns, the column names that are shown right here can be up to 32 characters long. These will take any letters, underscores, numbers, but they have to start with the letter or an underscore. Now the column labels themselves, we can have up to 256 characters. So for the for the columns, there's two types of data that can be inputted. Either it's a character type or a numeric type. If it's a character, then it's allowed to range between one character and 32,767 characters long. For numeric value data types, it can either be it can take on the form of numbers or currency, date, time, and so you'll notice for the age column, it is a numeric data type, and these take on the forms of numbers. If you look over here at salary, it's also a numeric type, and clearly it looks more like a salary format than anything else. As far as missing values go, if we're dealing with character types, as you can see right here, there's nothing here, and we will just be left with the blank. For numeric types, when there's a missing value, if you notice right here, it might be kind of hard to see, but we'll be left with the periods when there are no values in place. I'm going to change the value of the column name. That is to change what it actually says. This may be just to help another person who's reading your file. May be easier for them to understand or to read, or for whatever reason you may want to change the column name or the label. So to do that, first thing we do is click on Edit, and over here you'll see protected data is checked off. This is here to prevent us from making any kind of accidental mistakes. So in order to make any changes, we'll go ahead and turn that off, and then we get this verification screen. And yes, we want to change it. So for this, we want to change the salary name. So we can select it, right click, come down to properties, and this is our name right here. And for this, we'll change it to how much this person makes. And we click OK. And you can see clearly it changed from salary to how much this person makes.